Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video, let's talk about the way that you can use Discord on multiple devices. Discord is a platform that does allow you to log into multiple devices simultaneously. Meaning, if you are logged into a particular device, let's say if you are logged in on your laptop and you're trying to now log in on your mobile phone, you can just enter in your credentials and you will be successfully logged in. All of your information, the messages, and all of the servers that are created will be automatically synced. If you are logged in on your phone and if you are trying to log into your desktop, just search for discord.com and then click on the login button that you see on the top right, and then you can just enter in your credentials to successfully log into your account. There are no restrictions on using your Discord on multiple devices. I hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.